Hello everyone, welcome back, and today I'll be covering Surfshark VPN and its features. I'll be discussing whether or not it's a good choice in today's market. Also, if at any point you'd like to give Surfshark a try, you'll find a discount link available in the description down below to help you save some extra money. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, what makes Surfshark a trustworthy and reliable choice? Let's begin with the most important thing first. Privacy. It's necessary to trust the VPN provider you use, and Surfshark is an interesting case. On one hand, it has undergone a server infrastructure audit, has a no logging policy, and uses RAM-only servers, which means user data cannot be retained as there are no physical drives to store the data, and all of it will be deleted upon each system restart. However, I must also note that Surfshark VPN has recently moved from the privacy-friendly British Virgin Islands to the 14 ICE countries of the Netherlands. Nevertheless, the move was made in a conjunction with the merge with NordVPN, which does help address some privacy concerns. In terms of settings, Surfshark has a kill switch feature in place, which will cut off your internet access if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. This is essential for those with an unstable connection as it prevents IP leaks. Additionally, it has a feature called Clean Web that helps block ads, trackers, and malicious links. It also has an always-on feature and a split tunneling option called Bypasser, which I use to automatically route my torrenting app through the VPN. Surfshark also has a feature called No Borders Mode, which is designed for places with internet restrictions. Surfshark offers 3 separate tabs dedicated to security features such as antivirus, the alert tool, and a secure search function. These features are what makes Surfshark one of the top VPN choices. The alert tool will notify you of any leaked data associated with your email address, and the search feature helps you avoid tracking or cookies when searching for information. Surfshark has more than 3,200 servers in 100 countries, so you have a large number of locations to connect to, which is very handy. Surfshark is also a great VPN for gaming due to its fast speeds. The WireGuard protocol that it uses is a fast and reliable protocol, which guarantees minimal speed loss and great latency while playing. Just make sure to connect to a server that's closer to your game server in order to have a smooth gaming experience. Now, one of Surfshark's greatest features is that it allows an unlimited simultaneous device connection, making it such a great option for sharing with friends and family. Another very important aspect to consider when choosing a VPN is its streaming capabilities. Can Surfshark be used for streaming? Yes, I have tested a variety of streaming services using Surfshark and found that it can access the popular platforms such as Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+, etc. I also did not experience any lag or buffering while streaming, which makes it a great choice for watching your favorite shows and movies. Now let's move on to torrenting, which is another important factor to look at when choosing a VPN. My experience with torrenting using Surfshark was excellent. Not only is there no limit on bandwidth for torrenting, but all servers also support P2P. This is a significant advantage as many VPN limit torrenting to certain servers, making it difficult to find a server closer to your location. In addition to all of these positive aspects that I've highlighted so far, the most attractive feature of Surfshark is its low cost, which is very affordable considering that you're getting a premium VPN, and these VPNs usually run for a much higher price point. So if you're questioning whether Surfshark is worth it, the answer is absolutely. As I already mentioned above, Surfshark offers a wide range of features and one of the most affordable prices on the market today. The value for the price is unmatched. It also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 7-day free trial for Android, iOS, and macOS platforms, making it a great deal. It has a strong security and privacy features, high-speed connection, and it's well-suited for streaming and torrenting, making it a great VPN choice. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in getting Surfshark for yourself, you'll find a link to pricing and discounts in the description down below, and feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys, and like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful or would like to stay up to date with our future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.